are a total of 20 vehicles with 68 wheels. Can they all be cars? Or maybe all of them are motorcycles?
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Let's see. If they are all cars, there would be 80 wheels, but we were told there were only 68 of them. So we decided to switch some cars out for some motorcycles, one at a time. Notice each car has 4 wheels while motorcycle has only 2 wheels. Every time we switch one car out, we will have 2 less wheels. Right, we need to switch out 6 cars and replace with 6 motorcycles. Why? Porque this way we have exactly 68 wheels and 20 vehicles.